रोशनी रोशनी उम्मीद है तामीर।
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning, my dear students. Our today's topic is empirical formula and molecular formula from unit number 1, fundamentals of chemistry. The empirical formula. The empirical formula of a chemical compound is the simplest formula, is the very easiest formula which shows the smallest whole number ratio of the atom of the different elements present in a compound. The empirical formula may not be the actual formula of the compound. Here we have example. The actual formula of benzene is C6N2H6. C6H6. Benzene has the simplest ratio of 1:1. So its empirical formula is CH. Simple CH. And the actual formula of glucose is C6H12 and O6. Glucose actual formula is C6H12 and O6. While the glucose has the simplest ratio of 1:2:1. So its empirical formula is CH2O into O. Now molecular formula. Dear students, molecular formula shows the actual numbers of atoms of different elements which is present in one molecule of that compound. In contrast, the empirical formula of a chemical compound was the simplest formula which shows the smallest whole number ratio of the atoms of the different elements which is present in a compound. Here we have example of molecular formula. Molecular formula of glucose is C6H12 into O6. Molecular formula of benzene is C6H6. Molecular formula is derived from the empirical formula by the following relationship. Molecular formula equals to N empirical formula, where N represents the number 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, and infinity. For example, the molecular formula of benzene is molecular formula equals N into empirical formula, where the value of N in this case is 6. Molecular formula equals to 6 into CH. Molecular formula of benzene is C6 and H6. A molecular formula may be the same or multiple of the empirical formula. A few compounds showing their molecular and empirical formula are shown in table 1.7. Some compounds along with their empirical and molecular formulas are given below. Name of the compound are acetic acid, acetylene, benzene, glucose, hydrogen peroxide, sulfuric acid, iron oxide, ammonia, methane and water. So you can see here the empirical formula and molecular formula of the following compound in table 1.7, and it is clear from the table 1.7 that some compounds have identical empirical and molecular formula. Dear students, practice problem 1.3 is your today's assignment. Calculate that how many atoms of each element are present in one formula unit of each of the following compounds. Take care and Khuda Hafiz.